Hi, hello. Welcome everyone to the another exciting video with an amazing product on demand in market. It's Dentitox. Unlike other Dentitox reviews on the internet, I'm not here to scare you with some shocking survey results or statistics. A year ago, I've gone through all these reviews on Google to find whether the Dentitox program works or not. There are many fake reviews by people who never even know what really inside the program. So, I decided to come forward with the study that covers all pros and cons of Marc's Dentitox program. So it would be my honest opinion that reading the Dentitox review till the end without missing any points will give you clarification about the Dentitox program. So let's get going with the Dentitox review. This video we are going to reveal the secrets to healthy teeth and gums by this product Dentitox. How these toothpaste companies have false claimed all the way to cure all our dental problems. But now we have a scientifically proven method. We will show all the proof, not just false claim in mouth. Because we are here to get rid of mouth problems. Funny. Let's start it now. What is mean by Dentitox Pro? Hundreds of millions of individuals around the world suffer from poor oral health. Visiting the dentist can be costly. This is true even in countries where medicine is subsidized. Visiting the dentist can be frightening, stressful, intimidating, humiliating, and even painful. Dentitox Pro is a nutritious dental health supplement designed to help you reverse significant dental problems and keep your teeth healthy. There are 10 pills in this. This supplement is in the form of a liquid, and the normal user will take 6 drops each day to improve their oral health. What services does it provide? Based on a traditional African medicine, gums are rebuilt. Inflammation and infections are treated. Enamel regeneration is triggered. Supports good dental and overall health. What are the ingredients present in a Dentitox Pro? Let's take a look at the supplement fact in a Dentitox Pro. Let's examine what the ingredients are now. Elderberry. Elderberry has been increasingly popular in recent years due to its potent immune-boosting qualities. Xylitol. Xylitol is found in a variety of fruits and vegetables. Xylitol, according to studies, can help reduce tooth decay. Vitamins. Vitamins K2 and D3 are found in Dentitox Pro. These vitamins are required for the immune system to function properly. Vitamins K2 and D3 also help with a variety of other health issues. Licorice. Licorice root has long been used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat tooth decay and gum disease. Minerals. Minerals like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, and iron are found in Dentitox Pro. MSM and collagen. Collagen and MSM are common constituents in joint health supplements, however they are rarely used in oral health supplements. Neem. Dentitox Pro contains neem, a plant that has antibacterial properties and is commonly used to treat gingivitis. Sage. Sage is an antioxidant-rich evergreen subshrub that promotes gum health and immunity. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used as a traditional medicine for centuries, and its popularity is growing. Peppermint. Peppermint is a well-known traditional remedy for muscle and nerve pain, as well as other ailments. And now who should use it and for whom it is not considered safe? Dentitox Pro is designed for persons who want to improve their dental health. It is critical to look after your dental health. Neglecting your dental health can lead to a variety of other health problems, including digestive problems. Poor dental hygiene can result in significant physical and mental discomfort. If you don't want to be known as the person with bad breath, you should use Dentitox Pro in such case. Taking care of your teeth and gums might help you avoid cavities and severe diseases. Furthermore, when you use Dentitox Pro to maintain your oral health, you can save money on dentist visits. Second, Dentitox Pro should be used by patient people, as this nutritional supplement is not miraculous. That is to say, Dentitox Pro won't remove your dental issues overnight. You should have fair expectations, as it takes time to see results depending on a person. This product takes time to reduce the inflammation that harms teeth and gums, while it took some users a month. Third, Dentitox Pro mainly helps the elderly. After all, you lose strength when you're older, your dental health decreases, and your teeth and gums ultimately become frail. Fortunately, Dentitox Pro treats all dental issues caused by old age, including bleeding gums and teeth falling. Now, what are side effects and whom not to use? Dentitox Pro has no known adverse effects that will affect the general public, and you may research all of the active ingredients on credible scientific websites online. All of the ingredients in Dentitox Pro have been approved for human consumption and are found in a variety of meals. That does not rule out the possibility of side effects. After all, some people are allergic to wheat. This supplement has caused headaches, indigestion, and even nausea in some people. If you encounter any of these symptoms, stop taking this supplement and consult a doctor about the negative effects. And what is the right dosage to use? 6 drops are the suggested serving size, and each bottle includes 180 drops, or 30 servings. You are free to take the droplets whenever you choose. While a rigid timetable is not essential, a regularity, such as your morning bathroom routine, is recommended. And finally, does this product comes with risk-free purchase? Yes, absolutely. If you are not satisfied after your purchase, you can avail a 100% money-back guarantee with no questions asked. And now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from Z-Panda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply, take a screenshot, and send it to the Z-Panda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. I think all your doubts and questions are cleared. If you have any questions or doubts about this product, comment down below. Thank you. Keep safe. Bye until next time. At least, give Dentitox Pro 14 days before claiming it's not working.